For any technical issues with the product, kindly contact brand at 1800-266-455/1800-425-455. Installation: Amazon will connect with you via email and SMS on your registered mobile number to share the next steps for installation. In case you need any assistance, please reach out to us on our toll-free number 1800-3000-9027. Window AC, 1.5 ton capacity. 1 year warranty on product, 5 years warranty on compressor. Rated power input, heating 1800 watt. Power supply Hertz pH 230/50 1-phase, airflow volume, indoor CMH 650, operation, LCD remote, compressor type, Rotary, Refrigerant R-22, copper tube, inlet groove, net weight, 54.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell button. 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 Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell.